Hey guys, so today I want to show you what's inside this box. This is a mini Gingerbread Village set that I purchased at Walmart. The set comes with 5 little gingerbread houses, and they are all different and super cute. And they also light up with some batteries. So to decorate your village, you need some accessories, and they give you 5 of these lamp posts. There are 5 of these cute little trees. There's this sweet little fence. A cute little Merry Christmas sign. There are 5 of these gingerbread trees. 3 are green, 2 are these gingerbread colors. And then there is this peppermint little accessory, so cute. There's the green gingerbread tree. A tall town center tree, very cute. A sweet little snowman. This is probably one of my favorites, a bench, and it has little gingerbreads on the side. So adorable. There are 4 gingerbread figurines, and they are all super cute. So I'm going to do a tabletop display, and I like adding some height to it. Now just add all the accessories in however you'd like. I like adding these loose snowflakes to give it a winter wonderland feel. Now to light up all the houses. And there you are, a simple little gingerbread village. The kit just gives you everything you need. Just need a few little things to add to it, like the snowflakes and something to raise up your little houses. There's so many ways that you can really lay this out. So the second one that I'm going to show you is on a bookcase. This is how I usually do my Christmas village, and I just cover up some books, and once again I'm using that same little glass tray to raise up some of the houses. I also added one of those brick roads. It's a flat sheet that you can buy at Walmart as well. For some additional height and interest, I am adding some bottle brush trees. And then I'm going to take some of those battery operated lights and just wrap it around each of the trees to light them up. And again, I'm adding that loose snowflake to give it that winter wonderland feel. So here is the finished village, and I'll give you a close-up tour. These are so adorable. This is one of the most adorable sets I have ever purchased, and this can really be used in so many ways. In a tier tray, you can put it in a really large tray in the center of a table, and do something very, very similar as in this bookcase. So there's just so much you can do with this little set. And here it is with all the little houses lit up, as well as the lights that I added to the bottle brush trees. So I hope you enjoyed this and you got some great ideas. And if you enjoyed this, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.